Mastering single-word verbs. Outgrow your phrasal verbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs and exploring how we can replace them with single-word verbs. This knowledge can help make your English sound more fluent and precise. But remember, the key to this topic is practice and self-assessment. Phrasal verbs are made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or both. For instance, give up, put off, or come across. They are often informal and can make your English sound less polished if overused. That's why we want to learn how to replace them with their single-word equivalents. Single-word verbs often sound more formal and precise. Let's take an example. Phrasal verb. I looked up the word in the dictionary. Single-word verb. I consulted the dictionary. See how the sentence with a single-word verb sounds more academic and professional. The key to mastering single-word verbs is practice. Whenever you come across a phrasal verb, try to find its single-word counterpart. Use it in sentences, write it down, make it a part of your active vocabulary. Now, let's talk about self-assessment. After practicing, take a moment to reflect on your progress. Have you started using single-word verbs more often? Can you replace phrasal verbs in a conversation spontaneously? Here's a simple exercise. Write a paragraph using as many phrasal verbs as possible. Then, rewrite it replacing all the phrasal verbs with single-word verbs. Compare the two and note the difference in tone and formality. With practice and consistent self-assessment, you will soon master the art of using single-word verbs over phrasal verbs. Remember, learning is a journey and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. We hope you found this video useful and it helps you make your English even more sophisticated. Keep practicing, keep evaluating, and never stop learning.